In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check version and update Google Chrome. This is a very simple process and it only takes a minute or two to do. Keeping Google Chrome updated is important because new updates often include security improvements, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. In other words, updating your browser helps it run more smoothly and keeps your browsing experience safer. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the main menu and settings without any issues. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the Chrome menu. This is where you'll find a variety of browser options, including access to settings. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can manage different parts of the browser, including privacy, appearance, and system options. After you're on the settings page, look for the About Chrome section. In some versions, you may see it listed as About Chrome or About Google Chrome, usually on the left-hand side menu. Click on it to open the browser information page. As soon as you open that section, Chrome will usually check for updates automatically. This is where you can see whether your browser is already up to date or if an update is available. If Chrome is fully updated, you'll see a message letting you know that you're using the latest version. You may also be able to view the current version number here, which is helpful if you ever need to confirm what version of Chrome is installed on your device. If an update is available, Chrome will begin updating from this page. In most cases, you just need to wait a moment while the update downloads and installs. Depending on the update, you may be asked to relaunch Chrome to finish the process. If you see a relaunch button, click it so the update can be completed properly. And that's it. You've now checked your Google Chrome version and made sure it's updated. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to check this once in a while, especially if Chrome seems slow or if you want to make sure you have the latest security features enabled.